Welcome to Cisco Unboxed. Today we're talking about the MV22 Cisco security camera. So let's take a look and see what's inside. First up, we have to remove the protective outer sleeve. And now we do have the opening of the box, and we take a look. We do have the new Meraki second generation camera. First thing we're going to see is that it does have the protective cover on it for easy installation. No dust to get on the cover while you are putting it up. First thing we're going to see when we take the camera out, we have this protective casing, which we will move over there, which does uncover our first mounting plate. And this will be used for junction plate mountings, and it gives us appropriate spacers and distances that we can use to appropriately install this camera on a mounting plate, if that was where we were going to do that one. Underneath that, we do have a wall mount plate, which gives us proper installation instructions and information all about where we can properly install and locate the different installation points across the wall mount application. Underneath that, we have a nice international regulations guideline book. For that, there's not really much to do with that one, so we'll put that one down. But we do uncover all of the respective products and pieces that allows us to interface it with the wall anchor screws and the various installation kits, and a nice free Allen wrench to help you on that journey. Also included is a very handy install quick reference guide that allows us to go through and easily through pictures understand where and how we can mount this with the different installation and mounting types. And that is the Meraki MV22. Thanks for watching.